Hey you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Do you realize there's a lot of greatness in you? Do you realize there's so much potential inside of you that you haven't unleashed yet? Well, if you haven't already yet, smash the like button like it's hump day. Join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and be better. Here's a quick tip today, guys. Hope you guys like it. Let's get it, let's go. You don't have to be great at anything just to start, but you have to start to be great at something, okay? So whatever you have in mind, go out there and just do it. Even if you feel like you're gonna fail, just do it anyways. You never know. That might be your niche. That might be your calling. A lot of people they think about doing things later on. They let their fear stop them from trying to accomplish their goals. And don't be like that, guys. So if you feel like you know what, you want to do something, just go ahead and do it. Because you do not want to be 50, 60, 70 years old talking about, damn, I wish I could have done it when I was younger. You're going to be 40, 50, 60 years old talking about, man, I can't believe I actually took that risk. But I did though. And it was a good journey and it was a lot of excitement. Look, if you feel like you can be great at something, I dare you take that risk. Just do something right now and then work hard at it. Try to be the best at it. And I guarantee you're going to feel some type of way and it's going to make you feel good. And you will be great at it because I believe in you and you should believe in yourself. You don't need a whole crowd to believe in you. As long as you wake up every day, trusting yourself, believing in yourself, loving yourself, I guarantee God is going to work his magic, the universe is going to work his magic, and they're going to hear you 10-4, and they got your back. If you do something wholeheartedly, I guarantee you, it will be great. If you put 100%, you grind it out every single day, non-stop, you dish out all the toxic people, you dish out anything that's stopping you from reaching your goal, you're going to make it, and you can be great at it. I just want to say greatness is within you, mind, body, and soul. And if you're watching this video, let that resonate. Take this W today, okay? And go out there and win. Grind it out. Be great at something. I want you to forget about all the reasons why it should not work and find one reason that it will work, okay? To inspire you to go out there and be great at what you do. Trust me, take my word for it. You will be great, and you are great. Alright, with that being said, that concludes today's video in terms of being great. I want you to be great, I want you to be successful, alright, and I want you to have love in yourself so you can love everybody. I'll see you guys next time in the next motivational, inspirational video. I love you, have a blessed one, have a good day.